Of course, the Allies already had a few captured 190s, so they were well aware of the design philosophy behind the plane. But now there was an abundant supply, and technical experts from American manufacturers were flown in to make first-hand appraisals of German aircraft. Men like Bell Aircraft Chief Test Pilot Jack Willems.
I checked him out, gave him a cockpit check in a Focke-Wulf that I had already checked and flown, and he took off. Now, he is an American-trained, competent test pilot and winner of several races in the Thompson Trophies in Cleveland. After he had taken off, I turned to work with some other crew members, and the next thing I knew was, here comes Jack Willems in the Focke-Wulf 190, about 35 to 50 feet off the ground, wide open, across the airdrome. He pulls it up, rolls it several times, and Shondells away.
So where are they now? Over 20,000 190s were built, but very few survive today. Here at the Texas Air Museum in Harlingen, near the Mexican border, is one of the few surviving short-nosed 190s. Even though it's now showing the ravages of time, its classic lines are still impressive. A clean and simple shape built around a powerful engine still pleases the eye of aircraft connoisseurs. But it's the historians who know how remarkable this plane really was, and who would welcome the chance to see one fly again. They may have to wait for several years before the Texas plane is rebuilt to that standard. But in the interim, the same beautiful proportions can sometimes be seen in the blue skies of Texas, courtesy of a committed private aircraft builder, David Jones, who talks about his passion and the plane he built.
In order to build this, I studied it pretty thoroughly, and I was quite amazed at the things I ran into, how well built it was. And something that a lot of people didn't know is that the airplane had a single power control lever in it. I think in 1980 or 81, Woodward Governor Company built a single power control for Beechcraft. So I asked them if I could use that in this airplane. And when I asked them, I also told them about the Focke-Wulf's single power control. They didn't even know that anyone had ever built one before. And this in 1939.
David's replica of a wartime 190 is made to 3/4 scale, and of course it has a different engine. But all of the proportions are exact, so this remarkable reproduction flies in the same impeccable manner for which the originals were so famous, and which endeared them to Luftwaffe pilots as they fought their way across Europe.
Coming up next, from top secret plans to covert missions, find out the secrets used by the military on battle plan. Next on the Military Channel.